Before I became a patient with Dr. Blades, I was working in the ER as a nurse, working long hours. I was struggling with fatigue, had horrible energy. I had terrible cycles. I had low libido. I had very intense mood swings where I would yell at my kids and my husband for no reason. And I began seeing some of my coworkers have weight loss and you could see they were just happier. They felt better overall. So 10 years ago, I started seeing Dr. Blades to improve my health. I began seeing improvement in my symptoms 2 to 3 months after I started seeing Dr. Blades. I had my first follow-up appointment. We made a couple of adjustments, and then I noticed that all of a sudden I had lost 10 pounds, then 20 pounds, and then over the next year, I lost a total of 70 pounds. I had more energy, I was sleeping better, my libido had improved, my relationship with my husband and kids was better. Overall, I felt like my quality of life had improved. Two things that I've noticed I can do now before I became a patient. One is I'm able to keep up with my kids' activities. We're able to go play basketball now. We go paddleboarding on the lake. We're always active, and I couldn't keep up with them before. And the second thing was I'm able to shop at normal boutiques now. I nearly cried the first time I walked into a store and could buy something off the rack and not have to go to the big and tall store. The two biggest improvements I've seen since seeing Dr. Blades was, first, I had 70-pound weight loss. So I felt better about myself. I felt better in my clothes. I had energy to do things I want with the kids. And then secondly, my libido improved. My relationship with my husband improved. Our marriage is stronger now than it's ever been. And I know that's because I feel better and I'm healthier. Some of the hormone improvements that I've noticed are that my cycles are more regular. I have less PMS symptoms, less bloating, less moodiness around my cycle, and I sleep so much better with my progesterone. My relationship with food and my metabolism have improved since seeing Dr. Blades. I didn't know I had PCOS and I was very insulin resistant until I met Dr. Blades. Now I am able to make better food choices. I look at food as healing and helpful instead of as an emotional crutch. I love food, so I definitely don't miss out on any meals, and I'm able to enjoy what I'm eating to nourish my body instead of as a crutch when I was sad or depressed. One of the things that I would tell other people that are struggling with their hormones or health is that A, there's hope. Don't stop trying to improve yourself, and be an advocate for yourself. Fight when you know that there's something wrong, even if it shows that it's not abnormal. You know your body, listen to it, and be your best advocate.